Oh. Gracias. Hey beautiful, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, my name is Alexis Jayda and welcome. So in today's video we're gonna be doing the one dip challenge. So in my previous video, a lot of you guys were like, do the one dip challenge. I seen Nikki tutorials do it, I would watch Manny's, so I was like, let's do it. I know of the one dip challenge because of Nikki, but the two beauts that have done it previous is Soph Does Life and Lauren925. So shout out to you beautiful babes. So let's begin. I'm excited for this challenge. So first let's go off the brows because I always start with the brows. I will be using the LA Girl Brow Bestie Long Wearing, and this one is in the shade dark brown. This is one dip, right? This is one dip because that's what everyone's doing with the concealer. So I'm gonna one dip this bitch. Okay, I'm gonna go with my Morphe E29 and I'm just going to pick up some product. Let's see. Let's comb through these brows and going in, and we're just going to fill in the brow. This isn't gonna be like a full brow, but we're gonna make it work a brow. Okay, I'm just gonna blend it in. Whatever product I have left. Okay, that's just one eyebrow. I hope there's enough left on here for the other brow. Okay. It's like not the time to mess up on your brows, Lex. Like what the hell? Okay, hold on. My hair's bugging me. Who puts it on backwards? Are you back to the products? See, that's better. I like it all out of my hair. Okay. Gonna fill it in. I am gonna go back in again and just try to do some fake strokes. Kind of hard showing that bitch out. Okay, that's like the best I'm gonna be able to do, and then whatever is left, I'm just going to just lay down my eyebrows using, which is nothing. Do you guys hear it? Just like let's go in with primer. Let's go in with the Urban Decay Complexion Primer. I don't know why I thought it was gonna be more. I got a lot of face, you guys, so that's all we're gonna be able to use. I'm gonna use it wisely. I'm gonna add this here, and don't pay attention to her. I don't know where she came from. Oh, okay, that's enough. Calm your tits, dude. You're being dramatic. Now for foundation.
Is your foundation?
No, not yet. Why? Does it look good? Thanks. So I'm gonna go in with this. And this is, how would I do this? What's like, is it just like one squeeze? Should I do a squeeze too? No, I'll skip on the squeeze too because I feel like it's kind of cheating. So I'm gonna go with the full coverage foundation. This is a beauty. This is the Flawless Stay Foundation, medium to full coverage. This is full coverage. This will cover everything. This will cover todo. So I'm in the shade F50. I'm gonna shake her up and then pump. And then going in with the sponge, I'm just going to just grab as much as I possibly can, okay? So we're just gonna mush her down. And I'm gonna try and grab all of it. Me vale. Okay, and then we're just going to just add her all over. I'm gonna try. Okay, just gonna keep blending. I'm gonna go in with the Juvia's Place Concealer. This is in shade 16. Now, I'm gonna use everything that's on here, okay? Right? That's not cheating, right? Because it's like, whatever's on here. So I'm gonna use this as a little bit of foundation too because there's a lot I need to cover. And I'm just gonna add a little bit under here. Is it cheating? I don't know. I don't think so. And I do use my concealer as an eyeshadow base. So, oh yeah. There's still more that I could have used, but that's okay. I'm not gonna be stingy. I'm gonna go in and blend. And I'm gonna go in with my brush. And I'm just gonna make sure that this is just cleaned up very well. Well, to the best that I can. And then I'm just gonna just blend this. I feel like that's good. I feel like it looks really good so far. Okay, pick one.
You gotta tell me when to stop.
Okay. Stop. Oh my god, I haven't even used it. Alrighty, so you guys just seen that my baby helped me. Have not played with this palette yet, but Physician Formula eyeshadows are bomb. So this is the Physician Formula Rose Au Bleu, and this is it right here. So I don't know what we're gonna create. We can only dip once. There's no double dipping up in here. Okay. Let's go in with this shade right here, and I'm just going to just work the brush in there. And I'm using a Morphe M51, so I'm just going to just add here, add here, add here, add here, just so that they're even, you know. And then I'm just going to just buff. Ooh, that pigmentation is pretty good. I one dipped on that too. Ow. Didn't even hurt. It's just Manya saying ow. Okay, not mad at it. Let's go in with the shade. I'm gonna go like this. Roll that bitch in there. Okay, and then pat pat. Pat 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 pan. Okay. That's like so hard not to see that. I'm just gonna roll. I'm just gonna blend. Okay, whatever. Now let's grab this shade right here. I'm just gonna use my finger and go like this, and I'm gonna add it on both. Okay, so rolling my finger in it, I'm gonna add here and add here. Oh, okay. I'm gonna go in with this one. I'm gonna cheat and go like this and add some on this one and this one. Well, it's not necessarily cheating because it is a new shadow, and I only did dip once. Okay, that just looked weird. Is it one dip per eyeshadow? Yeah, right? Right? I think I did it right. Okay, I don't even know. So I'm gonna go in with some liquid eyeliner. This is the LA Colors matte liquid eyeliner. We can only dip once. So this is all I'm gonna use for both eyeballs, which I think will be fine. Let me set my face before I go in with mascara. All right, so I'm just going to go and make sure there's no creasing. I can only dip my sponge in the powder one time. Going in with the Too Faced Peach Perfect because this is my favorite. So I'm just gonna go in there. I even dusted off a little bit. All right, let's go. I'm out of powder. I'm all. Did you see me rotate her to see? I didn't even rotate her inside. Oh, I should have done that. That's that. Sometimes it's be going in my nostrils and it burns. I do want to go in with some glitter. I'm gonna go with a brush. Okay, I'm gonna go with a brush. I'll just dip once. And this is the ColourPop Hopeless Romantic. And I'm just gonna go like this. That was a dip. That was an honest dip. Okay, and that's just, you should have done this before you put on your eyeliner. It's stupid, but it's okay. I got it on me. Going in with my L'Oreal Lash Paradise. I can only dip once. And then abajo también. I should have done my lower lash line before I did my mascara. Son of a biscuit. You see that? Oh my god. So I'm gonna go in with my Salon Perfect lashes. I'm always raving about these ones. They are bomb. I'm gonna go in with the Physician Formula Butter Collection, and the bronzer is really good on this, so I'll be good with contouring. Where's my brush? Okay, so I'm only gonna do one dip. I see. I don't even want to dust off. Okay, I'm just gonna go like this. Okay. Oh my god. Ooh. Don't play me. Bring some life into my face. Don't play me. Try and contour that. Bing. Such a difference, huh? Let me go closer. All right, I'm gonna go back into this palette real quick, and we are going to pick up this shade right here. I'm just gonna go like this, please. Even though I don't want to do that, I have to do that. I don't know if it's just mania, but I have to. And I'm gonna add this underneath my eye, just because it feels so weird if I don't. Now for blush, let's go in with Apricot. That didn't show nothing. Apricot where? My face ate it, you stupid asshole. Fail on that one. Going in with Golden Hour. I'm gonna go in with the brush and just, that's it. Boom and boom. Let me spray my face. Okay, so we always one spray, but I'm gonna use my noggin. I'm gonna spray this sponge. Okay, whatever I could. Okay, and I'm just going to lightly prance this over. Okay. That was a stupid idea. Don't do that, because I don't think it really worked doing it like that. I feel like I have to do a liquid lip because it's a dip. I'm just gonna go in with Ultra Ego. I think that's all. Why do I feel like I need more? I really liked this challenge because I got to see how much product that I probably normally do use. I use a lot. I don't know, you guys. At the same time, do you feel like I use a lot of makeup? I feel like I don't. I feel like I don't go too overboard. I feel like I just go like right in the middle, where it's like, that's okay. I feel like I did pretty good on the challenge. I feel like I honestly did pretty good. Besides that little smudge right there, I gotta wait till it dries to pick it off. So let me know how I did on this challenge. I really don't do that many challenges. I feel like I haven't done a challenge in forever. I think it was when I used all my foundations in my collection, all my concealers, all my primers. I think that's like the last challenge that I did. So if you guys want me to do more challenges, let me know down below, and I would love to do them for you. But let me know your guys' thoughts and opinions down below. And if you guys do this challenge and you guys were inspired because I did it, please let me know, and I would love to show your channel some love and see how you guys did the challenge. Te quiero mucho, you guys. Besos a todos, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.